Good morning, second graders, and a happy second day of the week. It is Tuesday, and we are getting ready to stretch our growth mindsets brains to get them ready to learn. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have a name place on my paper. I'm going to write my name, capital M and an R, Mr. Garrett. And I'm going to write the letter K. K is one of my favorite letters because my daughter's name starts with K. Here we go. Straight down, over, and over. Straight down, down to the middle, down to the end. Straight down, stare over here, down to the middle, down here. Straight down, down to the middle, down, over, down. Leaving space, down, over to the middle, and down. Straight down, over to the middle, and down. There we go. Okay, and at the end we see a kite. We'll probably see that later on the back. Wink, wink. All right, I can identify the initial sound in single syllable words. This is round, but this stripe means it's not just a circle, it is a sphere, it is a ball. And ball, b-b-b, starts with the B sound. All right, I can identify consonant blends in single syllable words. This looks like something I might find on a snowman. It is a scarf. And when I have sk, then I know it's going to start with a S. And I will just say that it starts with a SC, sk, scarf. Excellent. I can identify consonant digraphs in words. And this is a funny picture of a raccoon, and it is stealing something. They say that raccoons are bandits, and another word for bandit is thief. Somebody or something who steals something. So this is a silly picture of a raccoon being a thief. And when I say I stick my tongue out just a little bit and make the th sound with the TH. Thief. Excellent. All right, let's go on. And let me just remind you, if we're going too fast, then you can pause and catch up and then hit it again. All right, number 5. I can use end punctuation and capitalization in my sentence. This picture, or this word says the, then mouse is gray. The mouse is gray. But the person who wrote this sentence did not do a very careful job, so we are going to go back and revise. We are going to fix this because we know by now in the second grade that all of our sentences are going to start with capital letters. We also know that we are going to have punctuation at the end. Okay, the mouse is gray. Let's start with capital T all the way straight up and down and a line across the top. The THE. I put a space to show there's a different word. This is the end of this word and the start of this word. The mouse. I look at this space and I do the same space over here. The mouse is, another space, gray. And this is just a sentence that is telling us something. It is not asking a question. It is not a very exciting sentence. So we just put a period. There we go. The mouse is gray. Number 6. I can make a list of rhyming words. And just to review, rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end of the word. So I have et, et. And this is a jet. The et word family. We're going to say jet. Excellent. We did this as one of our pictures yesterday on the back of our page because it started with a J. All right, jet. Let's see, are there other words that might start or that might sound the same at the end as jet? I am going to get as many words as I can think of. Get. Jet, get. Those sound the same at the end. How about let? Let me show you some more words. Jet, get, let. I bet. I bet you could come up with more words and just write them right down here. Jet, get, let, bet. They all rhyme with et. Number 7. I can use root words with the correct inflectional form. She, the orange juice. She drinking the orange juice? That doesn't sound right. She drinks the orange juice. That one sounds like a sentence. She drinked the orange juice. I don't even think drinked is a word. So this is the one that we're going to choose. She drinks the orange juice. If I see this on a test on the computer, I want to make sure that I click on that space and only that space so that I can show that I know this is my choice. But since we're doing this on paper, I'm going to write this word right here. Drinks. D-R-I-K-S. She drinks the orange juice. Number 8. I can read and write grade level sight words. O-U-T spells out. The O-U says ow, and then the T at the end. Out. O-U-T. Being careful to write our letters so that they are in the right space. Our lowercase letters that don't go all the way to the top go just to the halfway line. All right, A-S, as. A-S, as. That was as big as a house. And B-E spells be. Be. We will be smarter when we get done with this sheet. Good. All right, number 9. I can identify the number of syllables in a word. This says square. Square. Now, there are a lot of sounds, boys and girls, but square is just one syllable. Square. Square. So, it's all together. I'm going to circle the number 1. And let's look at this. I can capitalize and use commas in dates. This says, today is, with a space for our date. Let's try. Today is Tuesday. So I need a capital T. It's the name of the day. U-E-S-D-A-Y. With a comma to show the difference between the day and the month. Tuesday, September 22nd. And then I'm going to put a comma, 2020. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's turn this. Let me read it to you. Extra practice. Make a circle map with words and pictures that start with K on the back of your paper. So I'm going to do this. Yesterday I drew a picture and it wasn't even on my camera, so I'm going to be careful today. Here we go. Here's a capital K and a lowercase k. And one of my pictures I'm going to draw, I know, I'll draw a circle and a line. Does anybody know yet? And a line, an angle, and another angle. And then I will have some jagged lines and straight here. Then I have this and a hole. Does anybody recognize that? That is a key. All right, let's see. Yesterday, one of my students said that one of my pictures looked a little funny. So let's try a different one today. For the K, they said my frog looked funny. All right, so for the K, I'm going to draw a line like that. I'm going to go up and down. I'm going to come down and then make a big bump. Okay, can anybody guess what I'm doing yet? And then I'll do another line here. When I come down, I'm going to have a big tail. Let's see. Oh, I know. They have really big, strong back legs. And do that for their foot. And I'll come over here. And kind of like a T-Rex, but not exactly. They have very tiny front arms. There we go. Hopefully that makes up for my silly looking frog. This is a kangaroo. You can try to draw that if you'd like. All right, and let's see. We'll try not to be fancy this time. We'll go down like an upside down V and then connect those corners. I have this that cuts that into 2 pieces. I have this that cuts it into 4 pieces. I will put a line at the bottom. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ovals. I have made a kite. All right, boys and girls, now that our brains are warmed up and ready to go, you get to think of more words that start with the letter K. I know that you can do it. Have a fantastic day.